Okay everybody, welcome to Isbell Farms YouTube video number 1. We're going out today, we're going to check some bins, check the moisture, draw some samples from the middle with a probe, and bring them back to the shop and take some moisture samples to make sure we're good. I'll try to give you some introductions along the way and let you meet everybody on the farm. Not everybody's here today, but we'll introduce as we go, and you can see what's going on today. All right, we're here at the bins. We're gonna go see what's going on. Ooh, nice hat.
Thank you.
I like that. This is Nathan.
This is my Stetson. Don't mess with my Stetson.
It's cute. I like it.
Don't get my truck in the video.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's beautiful too. Emilio!
Oh no.
You got it?
Got it.
How does it look?
It looks good. Just a little
What do you think?
wet spot.
Where the lid is?
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Leak a little bit, yeah. Did you take the sample beside the leak, not in it?
No.
No.
Oh, over here.
Okay, good. Alright, we're here on top of this bin. Checked inside. This one's very full. We got it really full back in the fall. So this is a good one that needs to be sampled for sure, just to make sure that it's drying down good, because there's so much rust in it. That one over there is about half full because it had a special variety in it that we had to keep separate. So they're getting the sample of that one. It's the last one. We're gonna climb in here and check this out. Alright, we're here inside this grain bin. As you can tell, this one's really full because this is the top ring right here along the side, and we've got it full. And so they've already been in here, taken a sample, stuck the probe down in here, pulled it out, threw it in a bag. We'll take it back to the shop and run it. But this is a good example because it's very full. Lots of rust in here, all the way down to the ground. So we want to make sure that the moisture's good and that the air's been getting through it properly, so that we can ensure the moisture will be right to sell and go to the mill. You know, if your moisture's too high, then you risk a lot of things staining it, or it molding, or building up heat. Too dry, then it cracks. So you just want to be sure that it's right where you think it is and where you want it to be. Our newer grain bins on the other side have cables that run from the tops of the bins up here down through the entire bin, and they read the moisture and send it back to a computer that we can monitor all the time, so we don't worry about them as much. But these 6 bins on this side have a whole lot more, you know, there's more variable because we don't know what's happening. So we got to get in here and probe and check them every couple of weeks and make sure we're where we think we are. Okay, we got the bins probed, got the rice out in the bags, headed back to the shop now. I'll show you guys how we check the moisture here in a second. As you can see, it's nice and cold outside. My face is beautifully red. It's 36, it says. So, it'll be good to get back in the shop. We've got a cleaning project going on, so bear with us. The shop is not the prettiest it can be, and the prettiest it can be is not so pretty either, so don't judge, but here we go.
Okay, so let's check some moisture. So we're going. This is a BACKHOE moisture meter. It's got to be calibrated. So you put the little red line that up, flip it to calibrate, and you take this knob and you roll the knob until the needle goes as far down as it will, and then you flip it back to operate, and now it's ready. So then we'll take a sample
We took earlier from the bins.
And we're going to pour in 200 grams.
200 grams?
200 grams. A gram or so, one way or the other is okay, but that's, you want to get as close to 200 for accuracy.
Hey, look at that.
Right on the money.
Can't beat that. Oh.
Yeah. Somebody breathed on it. So now we've poured in the top. This is old school moisture meter. There's some that are a lot
fancy equipment. State of the art.
Newer, and then you drop it in by pushing that button. Now you take this big knob and you roll it until the needle moves, and you roll it until the needle goes as far down as it will go. Something like that. Then you get your reading here, which we're at 16.
Fancy.
Now we come
fancy
over
door chart.
to our door chart, and we're long grain. So we just find the number, and we're at 12.72. Perfect. It's right where we want to be. Yeah, we can double check this one just basically taking the moisture based on the hole.
This one crushes it with the
This one crushes
wheel.
it, so turn the power on,
Get it even more.
make sure that it's on the right setting, which this is going to be long patty rice. Slide it in,
Crunch it.
hit measure. So it says it's 14.4.
Which is usually a
But
little high.
but that's a really small sample size. So what you really need to do is take an average.
But you're getting a pretty good average between two moisture meters too.
And this machine will average it 15. Still, we're not, unsafe, but probably need to blow on that one a little more. In some pretty weather.
It's not in danger, but it's not too dry either.
Right, so we can average those and we get 14.8 out over those 3 samples.
Not too bad. Now, back to the cleaning project. Okay, we're home for lunch. I think there's somebody that's ready to see us. Lucky! Lucky! What are you doing? What are you doing? Did Daddy not take you on a ride this morning? He likes to check water and run around on the farm. Did you get to go on a ride this morning? No. Does that make you mad? Yeah, okay. Those are one of them. Look at that. Those are treasures we found under the cabinet.
Some kind of spreader.
I think they're called piston pliers.
Piston.
I
We
don't
work
know.
on pistons.
We don't work on pistons, so they're gonna get thrown away, I think. We don't work on pistons, and I don't want to start working on pistons, so.
This is an axe.
Look, if we just look at this little part right here, it looks really good. It looks pretty clean. We got a lot more to do, but we're getting there. Okay, since you guys probably don't want to watch us clean all this crap up, we're gonna speed it up, and you can see how it looks when we're done. It's a little heavy, so getting the machinery out. Hey, pick it up some more. Okay, right there. Right there. I haven't seen this wall in, well, I've never seen this wall. This wall hasn't been open since I was born. All I've seen this wall is dirt daubers and spiders, it looks like. More space. That's one of them. Professional operator right there.
No.
You didn't break anything?
No.
No? Hey.
But I'm not a professional.
Remember how I said we were going to make this look better at the beginning of the day? You can see the wall though.
We're gonna cut that.
Yeah, cut that out of there. And then we
Or, hear me out.
you can put a table on it?
Put a welder on it.
Yeah, you could. Or you could put a little table in the corner. Put the toolboxes up against it on both sides.
We could cut a piece of plywood.
Or even a piece of steel.
Make a little welding table in the corner.
Be more useful than
Keep the cobwebs.
cobwebs are extra decoration. That's what I said, the only thing that's seen that corner since we were alive was dirt daubers. Man, it looks terrible in here.
It started to look better.
And then we screwed it all up again.
Well, once we sweep that corner out, we're gonna build a table over there.
I think that might be the way to go. Let's do it.
We got that big sheet of metal over there.
Need to clean that up too.
Let's go.
Till Monday.
See?
Okay, so that was video 1 of Isbell Farms YouTube. It was kind of boring. Mainly just some shop cleaning, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's winter. We're not working any ground. All the fields are wet. So we get the stuff we can't do in the summertime done while we have the chance. And it's just kind of how it works. So see you next time. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell us what you want the video about, because we're willing to do it. Let us know.